I'd like to give you an overview of how to manage pages on a WordPress website. Pages normally appear along the navigation bar, and on this particular test website, we have two navigation bars, a top bar and a main bar. To access the pages, you go to the dashboard on the left-hand side, log into your WordPress website, and click on Pages, and all of the pages on the website will appear, usually in alphabetical order. I've got quite a lot of pages on this test website, and if I want to tidy up these pages, delete them, delete older pages, I'm going to show you how to do that now. So there are two ways to do it. You can tick the boxes against certain pages, and you can go to bulk actions and move to trash. So I'm going to do that, and it will remove the pages from the website, but it won't actually permanently delete them. It puts them into a trash folder, so I have the opportunity to recover them. If I click on trash, these are the pages that have been deleted, and I have the opportunity to recover all of them or some of them, but I'm going to try all of them. So if I go and tick them all and I click on bulk actions and I hit restore, it will restore them. Equally, if I hit delete permanently, it will permanently delete them. So I'm going to hit restore, and what WordPress does is it puts the pages back on the website but sets their status to draft. This is a kind of safety mechanism to just make sure that although I want to bring the pages back, I still have to go into each page and republish it. So I just do that by going over to the right hand side and hitting publish. So I'm going to do that for each of the pages. Blog. And as you can see, it's quite simple. It's just one click of a button. So basically what I'm showing you here is how to retrace your steps once you've deleted a page to republish it back on, to restore it, then republish it back on and get you back to where you were if you ever needed to do that. Okay. The alternative way to delete pages is even simpler. You can hover over each one of the pages and a little menu becomes active and you can view the page, or you can just hit trash. So maybe as you're going down through the pages, you want to check out what page it is and then hit trash. So it's completely up to you. You'll know your website best, but that will do the same thing. It'll create a trash folder and will put your pages in there. I'd always recommend when you're doing housekeeping like this to have a second tab open for your website and just check as you're deleting the pages that you haven't deleted anything that's really important, or a page that you're not familiar with it, that it's suddenly gone. It's really important on the website. And I'd do this in batches. I would do some today, some tomorrow. It's a kind of housekeeping exercise. I wouldn't recommend doing 40 or 50 deletions in one day, because then you might accidentally delete something that you didn't want to delete. Now, there is a second part to this housekeeping task that I wanted to show you, and it's in relation to the menus that I mentioned earlier. Just because you've deleted a page on the back end does not mean that it's necessarily deleted from the menu on the front end. So if we go to appearances and we go to menus, this will show me my top menu, and it shows me that nothing has been deleted yet. So if I go back to pages and I delete the About Us page, and then I go back to the appearance menu, so I go to appearance and menus. Now you see this red item and it's telling me that there's a broken link on the website. That page is gone. So what we got to do is remove the link on the navigation menu. So it's kind of in two parts and they're not linked together. You have to do them separately. So you delete the page and then you delete the menu item. So if I want to delete that menu item, what I do is I hit the down option there and I hit remove, and that would remove the page link, remove the page link from the menu item. So I'm not just going to do that right now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to pages and I am going to go into my trash and I'm going to restore this page. And that just shows you the full life cycle of managing and deleting pages.